Yeah, to control or limit something, I know. Outpace, to go develop, etc., faster than someone or something else. Yeah, I know outpace. Thank you.
Okay. Do you
So
want to?
let's move on to the. Yeah. I wanna read the article
Okay.
at first. Yes. Thank you. Earth set for more record heat, say UN report. In the next 5 years, the Earth is extremely likely to surge past the international climate threshold set as safe and break hottest year records. Oh my God. Next paragraph. That's according to new climate projections by the Meteorological Organization, WMO, a specialized agency of the United Nations that monitor the Earth's weather and climate.
Mm.
The report was compiled with the UK Meteorological Office. The projection says there's an 86% chance that one of the next 5 years will smash the record for as hottest year set in 2024. There's also a 91% chance that at least one of those years will push global temperatures more than 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. That threshold is the agreed upon limit of warming, averaged over 20 years, set in 2015 by the Paris Climate Agreement. Climate scientist uh, Frederick Otto
Yeah.
told the Associated Press that an entire year above the 1.5 mark means more extreme weather events that exceed anything experienced in the past. The projections are based on the average of about 200 runs of computer simulations using 13 different climate models from various countries. Two of the report's biggest concerns are the rapidly warming Arctic and increasingly dry conditions in the Amazon. The Arctic is expected to warm 3.5 times faster than the rest of the world over the next few years, creating a vicious cycle in which melting ice and snow cause temperatures to rise even more quickly. Meanwhile, the Amazon basin is expected to face hotter and unusually dry conditions, which could increase the risk of wildfires and threaten water supplies for local communities. Scientists also warn that damage to Amazon could weaken its ability to absorb carbon dioxide, potentially making climate change even worse. UN officials said efforts to curb climate change haven't been enough. Despite the progress of recent years, it's clear that global heating is still outpacing global efforts to contain it. UN Climate Chief Simon Steele said about the WMO report. He added that every nation is already paying a huge price from this global climate crisis.
Okay. So, what are your thoughts on these
Yeah, uh,
findings?
I am shocked uh, about this news because uh, I'm already tired in the current weather. every summer, Japan has over 35 degrees Celsius for many days. I cannot go out during daytime. In June 2nd, so yeah, it is very hot weather still even now. So I'm afraid in the future I have to prepare for hot weather. I basically wear hot
A cap.
hat,
Yes.
but cap, yeah. But yeah, last week I bought a original cap
Ah, okay. Yeah.
to avoid sunlight,
Yes.
UV.
Yes. Yeah. I also wear a cap. I just over here. I have one as well.
Very nice. Yeah, yeah. It is beautiful. Wine red. Yeah.
Yeah, I have lots of different caps, different colors. So depending on what I'm wearing, I wear the different color cap when I go out.
Yeah. You are very fashionable, so you can choose a suitable cap every time. Yeah, every situation.
Whenever we travel, as a souvenir, I'll buy a cap at the place I visited. I'll also maybe get one for my daughter and my son. And my daughter, she will wear the cap once or twice, and then she'll say, "Dad, I don't wear caps. Yeah, you keep it." And then I get another cap. Anyway, okay. So, do you find it surprising that global warming is outpacing efforts to contain it?
Yeah, it is very surprising. The impact of rising temperature on Arctic land and Amazon is huge. Yeah, I'm worried about the Amazon and endangered species. Ecosystem will change. For the foreseeable future.
Yeah, true. Eh?
Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
So, do you expect to see more urgent climate action in the coming years?
Yes. Nowadays, the advancement of technology is also drastic. So there are many state-of-the-art cutting-edge technologies. I'm not an expert, but yeah, I believe such technologies will be applied for the tackling the problem.
Yeah, right. It's possible they could use AI to think of something.
Yeah, AI technology. Yeah.
Are the effects of climate change already being felt in Japan?
Yes, climate change has had great impact on our daily life. For example, I like watching sports games. In recent years, daytime game is decreasing. So in summer, many baseball games are held in after 6 p.m. Yeah, and so it is very dangerous. So sports organization have had to save their life, their condition. Yeah, it cannot be helped. Yeah. So schedule or life cycle are changing.
Yeah, lifestyles are changing.
Lifestyles are changing. Yes.
That's right.
Thank you.
Okay. And what parts of your country will be worst affected by climate change?
Worst affected.
Mm.
Worst. So I cannot come up with good example. It is difficult question. Off the top of my head, in the countryside, for example, farmers in specific vegetables or specific fruits damaged, affected by the climate change. They are struggling to cultivate their products,
Their crops.
crops.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I have no idea for the answer.
Okay.
Crops.
Yeah, so probably agriculture will be hard hit. That's very possible. Yeah.
Yeah, agriculture. Yeah, had hit. Yes.
And then, of course, with the melting of the snow caps in the Arctic, you might find that sea level will rise. So coastal areas that are low to the sea level could experience more tsunamis.
Of course. Yeah. Yeah. We have to prepare for the earthquake and the tsunami. Yeah. Japan faces many natural disasters. Nowadays, the number of sudden rain in the evening is increasing. So I don't know why. So yeah, few minutes before, it is sunny in my neighborhood.
Yeah.
But few minutes later, we face suddenly squall, like squall. Squall.
Squall. Yeah. Ah, yes,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, and last year I was soaked with the sudden rain. So yeah, this is abnormal weather affected by the climate change.
Okay. And so, how would you rate your government's efforts to fight climate change?
Of course, yeah, I expect the government's efforts. They have tremendous budget, so they should spend their budget on tackling the climate change, and they should support not only public companies but also private companies, startup companies, and research for the environmental fields.
Right.
That's very important.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. How have weather patterns changed where you live over your lifetime?
Yeah, but back then, when I was a kid, I really liked summer. I enjoyed summer vacations, playing outside, enjoyed beach, enjoyed summer sports. But nowadays, I prefer autumn or winter. So nowadays, yeah, climate change really influenced my preference for private life.
So would you say that the autumn and the spring have become shorter and the summers have become longer?
Yes, yes. So summer is very arrogant nowadays. The summer is getting longer,
Right.
and yeah, many Japanese culture it's based on August. So we have a proverb: uh, autumn of eating, autumn of reading, autumn of sports. So autumn is suitable for a lot of hobbies. So we really love autumn. But nowadays, autumn quickly disappear. Autumn vanishes into thin air. It is less than 1 month, 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, quickly we enter the winter.
Mm, right. And winters, are they long as well, like summer?
Yes, I think even though summer becomes dangerous, we we feel cold weather still now.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, I expect the overall temperature is rising, but still now winter is very cold.
Mm,
Yeah, in Japan.
sure. Okay. And has your country had many extreme weather events in the past few years?
Off the top of my head, as I answered in the previous question, we see sudden rain in the evening, like Amazon. And nowadays, extreme weather event. So we see, yeah, unusual typhoon. Basically, typhoon is common in September,
Yeah.
but nowadays we see typhoon in August or October. So
Wow.
typhoon is, yeah, unusual typhoon
Mm,
is becoming more common nowadays. So yeah, we recognize the weather event has changed greatly.
mm. Okay, very good. All right, we'll have to stop there. That was good.
Yes,
Excellent.
thank you for teaching me.
Yeah,
So
it's a
yeah,
pleasure.
I bought mock test of Aiken. So
Okay.
Aiken has, yeah, a lot of difficult topic.
Right.
So this is very helpful for
Ah,
studying
perfect.
English. I hope we can have another lesson another day.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye. Okay.